Good afternoon. Welcome to Maths class. Now we will do some questions related to area. Okay. Children, in the first session a question was left to ask. But now I ask you. Question is, can we make rectangles with the 15 matchsticks? Why? Can you say? By using 15 matchsticks we cannot make rectangles. Now we know the relationship between the total number of sticks with the number of sticks along the adjacent sides, is it? So when we take half of 15, we get fraction. So we could not count the stick as fraction. That means if the number of stick is an even number, then only we can make a rectangle. Okay. Next we move on to the topic area formula. Here we have to create a formula for finding out the area of a rectangle. See the rectangle, it has length 9 cm and breadth 5 cm. How do we find out its area without drawing small squares? First we imagine a grid of horizontal and vertical lines 1 cm apart inside this rectangle. That means you imagine that there is a vertical and a horizontal lines of 1 cm apart. Then how many squares are there in each row? When we imagine that grid, then we can see 9 squares in a row. Then how many such rows? Yes, we can imagine 5 rows inside the rectangle. Then can you say what is the area of this rectangle? 9 squares in each row, 5 such rows are there. So the area of this rectangle is equal to 9 into 5 equal to 45. So we can write this as area of the rectangle equal to length into width or length into breadth. Here the length is 9, width is 5. So the area is 9 into 5 equal to 45. Here compute the area of a rectangle of length 20 cm and width 10 cm. We know that the area of the rectangle equal to length into width. So the area equal to 20 into 10, that is equal to 200 square centimeter. Square centimeter is shortened as like this, SQ.cm. Children, you must read this portion. What is the area of the rectangle with the length 8 cm and breadth 6 cm? Here Ammu explained that the area of this rectangle is equal to area of 12 small squares. But Anu described the area of a same rectangle as it is equal to the area of 48 small squares. Here both answers are right, but numbers for the area are different. Here Ammu consider each square has length 2 cm. Here Anu consider each square has length 1 cm. Both are correct. To avoid such confusion, we generally say areas in terms of squares of side 1 cm. Usually we take the area in terms of squares of side 1 cm. You must remember this point. Okay. Now you can answer this question. We know that the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 8 into 6 equal to 48 square centimeter. Now let us do some questions. Before that, all of you write the formula for finding out the area of a rectangle and put it in a box. Okay. First question is simple one, so you can do. Then second one, all the sides of a rectangle are 8 cm. Find its area. We know that all the sides are equal, then it will be a square. Okay. The area of rectangle equal length into breadth. Here length and breadth are equal, 8 into 8, that is equal to 64 square centimeter. The next question, area of a rectangle is 96 square centimeters and its length is 12 centimeters. What is its width? Here area is given, length is given. We have to find out the width. The area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. Here area is given, that is length into breadth equal to 96. Here length is 12, that is 12 into breadth is equal to 96. Therefore breadth or width is equal to 96 divided by 12, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Or we know that 12 into 8 equal to 96, so breadth is equal to or width is equal to 8 centimeter. Here 12 is multiplied by breadth. When 12 moves on to the right hand side, it is divided by. Therefore width is equal to 96 divided by 12, that is equal to 8 centimeter. The area of a square is 81 square centimeters. Find the length of a side. Area of a square equal to side into side. All sides are equal. So usually we cannot say length into breadth. The area of a square is equal to side into side. Area of a square is equal to side into side. That here area is given. So side into side is equal to 81. We know that 9 into 9 equal to 81. So the length of a side is equal to 9 centimeter. Then find the area of the figures given below. We have to find out the area of this figure. First we divide this figure into two rectangles by drawing this line. Then this part is taken as first rectangle and this is to be a second rectangle. Then find the area of each rectangle. Consider this first rectangle. Here length is 10 and breadth is 3. So the area of this first part is 10 into 3, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Then the area of this second part. Here width is 2 centimeter. Then what about the length? Is the length is 6 centimeter? No. When we consider the second rectangle, the length of this rectangle is up to this. So we cannot take the length as 6 centimeter. Here the length is 3 centimeter. So here also the length is 3 centimeter. Total length 6 cm, up to this 3 centimeter. So we can easily calculate the length of the second rectangle, that is 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore the area of second part is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equal to 6 square centimeter. Therefore the area of this figure is equal to 30 plus 6, that is equal to 36 square centimeter. So then what about this figure? Here also this figure is divided into two rectangles. By drawing this line we get two rectangles. What is the length of the first rectangle? That is 8 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeter. So the area of this first rectangle is equal to 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 square centimeter. Then what is the area of this second rectangle? Here the length is 4 centimeter. Then what about the breadth? We have to find the length of this part. We know that the total length is 8 centimeter. The length of the left portion and the right portion is given. That is 3 centimeter. Here also 3 centimeter. Total is 6 centimeter. Then the length of this part is equal to 8 minus 6. That is equal to 2 centimeter. Then we get the length and breadth. Here length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. So the area equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 square centimeter. Therefore the total area of this figure is equal to area of first part plus area of second part, that is 16 plus 8, that is equal to 24 square centimeter. Then the last figure. Here this figure is divided into 3 rectangles by drawing two lines like this. This is the first one, second rectangle and third rectangle. First we find out the area of these three rectangles. Area of first rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8 square centimeter. Then the area of second rectangle. Here breadth is 3 centimeter. What about the length? Length of this rectangle is equal to 6 plus the length of this part is same as this, so we take it as 4 centimeter plus 6. So the length of this second rectangle is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 16 centimeter. So the area of the second rectangle is equal to 16 into 3, that is equal to 48 square centimeter. Then what about the area of third rectangle? Yes, length 4 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter. So the area equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8 square centimeter. So the area of this figure is equal to 8 plus 48 plus 8, that is equal to 64 square centimeter. Children, you must do these 4 marked questions in your notebook. If you get time to do all these problems, okay, then you will write it. Otherwise, no problem. Today's class is over. Study well. If any doubt, please ask me. Okay, thank you.